Hi there, I'm Moz. This is our Peugeot Boxer self-built camper van that we did in about 4 weeks, and it's called Pee-wee. So this is our long wheelbase Peugeot Boxer, high roof. It's got a roof rack on the top, ladder up the back so you can get up to the solar panels which are attached to the roof rack. Also got the awning attached to the roof rack, so we haven't had to drill any holes in the bodywork. Right, this is the kitchen area. The worktops, some oak I'd lying around. That's just oiled with vegetable oil, so it's easily maintained. The rest of the units are made with pallet wood, which was free from the local builders merchant, which is really good. We got some old baskets that we had lying around that I've put a little frame around those and some runners, so you can pull that right out, take it into your kitchen and load it up with all your crap, and then bring it back, slide it in. There's just a couple of little turn buttons there that hold them from sliding out and going everywhere. Below the baskets we've got a bit of storage space there for pans and stuff like that. To the right of that we've got a cool box which is wired in. We've got a little switch down here that switches it on and off because you don't want it on all the time. Then we've got a couple of drawers, bits and bobs drawer, and then there's your normal cutlery drawer. And they've just got little turn buttons to stop them coming open. Nice purple knives. We've got storage area up the top here, above the cab, where we keep like just seats, and there's a table up there which we can use under the awning. Here we got some bits of driftwood that we got from New Zealand, and we've fastened them onto another bit of sycamore with some copper wires and stuff like that, and that's pretty cool for hanging coats and things. Mirror there that we've got out of the old van and just painted it up to match all this stuff. And then we've got some tiled backdrop there for splashback type thing. So over here we've got a couple of cupboards. In this one it's kind of storage down the bottom, a few pots and pans up there, and then we've got this rubbish bin that slides out. Quite a handy little thing, gets rid of all your rubbish, keeps it out of the way. On top we've got a double gas burner. We went for a large one and a small one because we do a lot of wok cooking. Over here we got a sink. This is a brass jam pan that we got from just what junk shop. Basically it's 15 quid, so absolute bargain. Drilled a hole in the bottom, took the handle off. Handle's now a towel rail. And we got tap off eBay. I think that was 15 quid, bit of old copper pipe. And then down below in the other cupboard is the water pump and a couple of water butts, 25 litres each, so they last us about a week. And we've got just a little green bowl there that fits perfectly into that. Up above we've got plate rack, mug rack, bowl rack. The bowls just fit into a little piece of wood that's just got a big hole cut in the middle of it. That works well. The plates it's just like a normal plate rack really, but they're on a bit of an angle, stops them coming out. We haven't had any problems with that. Just here we've got spice rack bit. These just screw out, and quite handy. Screw back in. There's just 2 screws in the jar lid, screwing them up. I think that idea came from my grandfather, who used to keep nuts and bolts and stuff in his shed. Similar sort of storage idea. Up above on the ceiling we got this lovely piece of yew that we got from a local timber yard in Keswick. I think it was called Tree on the Hill. They had a massive pile of this stuff, so we used little off-cut bits of it for the we've got like towel rails up here. And then down there we got the fire, a wood burning stove. It's just a little one that a friend gave us, so I have no idea what make or model it is, but yeah, it was good of him to give us that when he was moving out. It just sits on a little wood store, so we got all the firewood underneath. There was a couple of tiles left from the splash back there, so we used those. And then it's just got like an aluminium backing, a heat shield, heat sink, to stop the van getting too hot. Right, moving to the middle of the van, we got the lounge area. Got seating for 4. Under the seats we've got storage area, clothes, things like that, anything you need to store away. They're made with plywood with pallet wood on the top, just to finish it off. Pallet wood's done with like three different colours of paint, which we just sanded through, so you get that nice shabby look. Up above here we got some more storage areas, covered up with these nice little fabricy bits that we got from somewhere, don't know where. Oh, under this side we have a special little device for the ladies because they don't like trees, so there's a little bucket there for a piss pot. And in the other side, yeah, we got some little handy sort of beer dispensing racks that are made with bottle openers, so you just carry them outside when you're having your barbecues or whatever. Just stick that back. Under here we've got massive storage area where the dogs sleep under there, or one of them does, hence the shape, the dog kennel hole. And then up above that we got a table, so that converts the area into a dining room by just pulling the table out. This is just an old piece of worktop that was lying around. Fortunately it was double-edged, so that's ideal. We've just got like half a dozen rollers under there, which we got off eBay. So, but we do have a little turn button, because when you put the brakes on it comes out if you don't. Alright, move on to the bedroom. One of the reasons we got this van was because you can get a 6-foot bed all the way across, because we wanted a permanent bed. We didn't really want something down here that we got to keep putting boards out and stuff like that, so this is ideal. We got sort of storage shelves in there as well, some more shelves around the corner here which you can't see, but another shelf over there. We've got USB points and spotlights at the head of the bed. And we've got a nice little mandolin holder on the back door there, so we can play a bit of music when we like. And that's about it, really.
Head over to theindyprojects.com/shop and check out our new merchandise. Join us on Patreon for exclusive content, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification button so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.